Okay, I have to start with the packaging because it's genuinely pretty. Each roll is individually wrapped and the design feels elevated, like something you don't need to hide in a cabinet. It looks clean, intentional, and honestly just makes your bathroom feel a little more pulled together. And this is exactly why I love how you can store it. I'm putting mine right into my gold round tape toilet paper holder, and that way I can keep it right next to the toilet. So it's right here and handy, easy to grab, but it also looks styled. The wrap just makes it feel a little more boutique bathroom instead of bulk package shoved in a corner. So if you have a holder like that, or you can fill it up so it looks full and pretty, then it keeps a couple of extra rolls right under the sink as well for backup. Or if you're doing open shelving, these also look really nice stacked in a basket because the wrapping keeps everything just looking neat and tidy. Now for the paper itself, well, it's 3-ply and it feels really smooth and soft in my hand. I really love how it feels sturdy in my hand, and it just makes you want to use it every day. So it's unscented, which I like for myself, and it adds no fragrance to the room, so it keeps things really simple and neutral. So if you love the little home details that make your space feel calm and elevated, this is one of those really pretty, easy upgrades. As an Amazon influencer, I share products I genuinely use and recommend. I may earn a small commission. It never costs you more. Thank you so much for supporting my work. Consistency is my standard.